Hey everyone, Adrian Hernandez here, and today what we're going to talk about are the 3 basic simple tools and systems you need in your business to help you go from no deals to earning some sort of income in this business, guys. Now, this is real easy, and I want you to write down the number 1 step. And this is the number 1 step that helped me throughout my entire sales career, guys. Not just that, but this technique, this one simple step that you're about to learn has made more millionaires year over year than any other step that you'll ever learn, okay? Any other thought you'll ever hear. You ready? Write this down. Keep it simple. You guys, everybody's going to talk about 1,000 different systems, 1,000 different CRMs that you need in your business today, 1,000 different softwares that are going to magically help you make $1 million. Look, there's no such thing, because if there was, then everybody would already be using it. So here's my advice. Here are the 3 systems you need to help you succeed as a real estate entrepreneur. Step number 1, or system number 1 if you would call it. You need some sort of dialer, some sort of lead generating software, something that you're going to use to make outbound calls with. So I recommend Mojo. Mojo is a great site that you can buy. It's actually a dialer that you can purchase online. And what it is it allows you to call neighborhoods. It allows you to call expired listings for sale by owners. And check this out, it's also a CRM in essence. You can store all your leads there, and you can also track all your numbers. So I recommend Mojo is a great site if you're just starting off, or let's just say you're already in the business, you want to take your lead generation to a new level. Mojo is a great site. Number 2, guys, you need some sort of data software. So a place that you're going to get the information to dial. Now Mojo has it. However, I recommend if you want to maybe think out of the box, if you want to do what others aren't doing, I recommend you go get sites like Vulcan 7. I recommend you invest in data software like Property Radar or Rebo Gateway. Utilize different data points that you're going to plug into Mojo to dial, to call, to find leads. You guys, don't rely on the internet. Don't rely on paying for leads. Will it help you? Yes, but long term, it's not going to teach you anything. Okay, then the last step. You're probably saying, all right, Adrian, well, I got that, but what am I doing with all of my information? Well, you store it in Mojo, and here's the secret. You create an Excel sheet. And that Excel sheet is just a raw database where you're going to take all the leads and everything you get from Mojo, and you're going to duplicate it onto this Excel sheet. So now you know you have protection in your data on your computer, and you also have it in Mojo where you can follow up on it, you can call it, and you can manage it. You guys, these are the 3 simple systems I used for the longest time in this business. It wasn't until I got into investing that the systems changed. But till this day, the foundation is Mojo, some sort of data software, and a basic Excel sheet where we keep all of our to-date data. So go utilize this. I hope this helps you in your sales career. If you have any questions, guys, comment below. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, tell all your friends, all your family about the channel. Appreciate you guys. See you next week.